Hello student, Hemant sir is here. So today we are going to work on the paper sheet. So because today we have to draw a many information, so to save our time, I am going to solve the question on notebook. Okay. So let's start today's session. So now we are going to solve the fifth problem of our practice set 7.3. Okay. So the fifth question says, in a tree plantation project of a certain school, there are 45 students of हरित सेना. ओके उस स्कूल में जो स्टूडेंट्स है उसमें से एक हरित सेना एक ग्रुप था जिसमें 45 स्टूडेंट्स थे. कितने स्टूडेंट्स? 45. The record of tree planted by each student is given below. Okay, so like first student who has planted 3 plant, second student who planted 5 plant, 7 plants and so on. Okay, so there are total 45 students who have planted these different plants. Okay, so now the question says prepare a frequency distribution table of the data. Okay, this is the data. You have to prepare the distribution table, or we can say the frequency distribution table. Okay, so we have to design our data in such a way that first we have to write the class mark. After class mark we have to write, see if we will take 3, so how many times 3 is coming. Okay, likewise, so we have to arrange the data in a tabular form. So here is the table that you have to draw. Okay, so here we have class, which is the number of plant planted. Okay, so here we have checked that 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 numbers, they are repeated again and again. Okay, so 3 is repeated 10 times. If you will count from here, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 3 is repeated 10 times. So that's why we have written here 10. So for 10, the tally mark will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So it is the tally mark for 10. Okay. Now we have to check the 4. It is coming 11 times. So let's check once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times. So 4 is repeated 11 times. So we had written 11 over here in frequency. Frequency means repetition of the same number again and again. Okay. So in tally mark for 11 we have to represent it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now 5. 5 is again repeated 11 times. Let's check once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's check once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 times. Okay. So for 5 it is repeated 11 times. That means we have to write tally mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. If you will check, 6 is repeated 7 times. So here we have 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 times. So we have to write tally mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we have written 7 here. Now 7 is repeated 6 times. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Okay. So here we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If we will add all this number, we will get summation is 45. Okay, so this is the solution for the question number 5. What was the question number 5 says? Prepare a frequency distribution table of the data. So here it is the frequency distribution table for question number 5. Okay, so if you want to write, you can write or take a screenshot. Okay, so this is the way you have to prepare the table now. Okay, now we are going to solve the sixth problem now. So now we are going to solve the sixth problem. Sixth problem says the value of pi up to 50 decimal places is given below. Okay, so here there are 50 numbers are given. Okay, for this information prepare an ungrouped frequency distribution table of the digits appearing after the decimal point. Okay, so decimal point के बाद जितने भी number repeat हो रहे, there are 50 decimal points they are given. So how many times like 3 is repeated or 1 is repeated, that we have to prepare the distribution table for that. Okay, so let prepare the table for the ungrouped frequency distribution table. So this is the table that you have to draw on your notebook. Okay, so here the class for the digit we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, and we have to write telemark for number, and the frequency is already calculated over here. Okay, so I have already calculated the frequency of 0, that means 0 is repeated 2 times. Here we can check also 0 here it is 1 and here it is 2. Okay, only 0 repeated 2 times, so that's why we have written here 2. So for that we have to write telemark, it is 1 and 2, that is 2 line 1 and 2. Okay, likewise 1 is repeated 4 times, you can check here also, it is 1 2 3. So 1 is repeated 4 times, 1 2 3 4, it is 5 times. Okay, so 1 is repeated 5 times, so we already check here, it is 1 2, it is 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so it is repeated 5 times, so here we have to write telemark for 5, it is 1 2 3 4 and 5. Then 2, we have to check 2. So here we had 2, it is 1 2 3 4 5, it is repeated 5 times. So for 5 we have to write telemark 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, now 3, how many times 3 is repeated? So here it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 is 7 8 and it is 9 times. But after decimal point we have only 8, so here we have to write 8. Okay, we are counting the number after decimal point. Okay, so it will be 8. So for that we have to write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, now 4 is repeated how many times, that we have to check. Here we have 1 2 3 and 4 times. So here we have 4 times 4. So we have to write telemark 1 2 3 and 4. Now 5 is repeated how many times? So we have to check, it is 1 2 3 4 and 5 times. So 5 is repeated 5 times. So you have to write telemark for it 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now we have to check for 6. 1 2 3, 4, 6 is repeated 4 times. So for telemark for 4 we have to write 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now 7. How many times 7 is repeated in question? So 7 is repeated 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. So again we have to write 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now 8 is repeated how many times? So 8, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. So for 8 is repeated 5 times. So for 5 telemark is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now how many times 9 is repeated? That we have to check. So 9 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. So for 8 the telemark will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. So here if we will add all this number we will get summation 50. Okay, that means we have checked here after decimal point we have 50 number and their frequency is 0 is repeated 2 times, 1 is repeated 5 times, 2 is repeated 5 times, 3 is repeated 8 times, 4 is repeated 4 times, 5 is repeated 5 times, 6 is repeated 4 times, 7 is repeated 4 times, 8 is repeated 5 times and 9 is repeated 8 times. Okay, so this is the frequency distribution table for the value of pi and the 50 decimal number after the decimal point. Okay, so this is the table for the frequency distribution table of the number of question number 6. Okay, so if you want to write you can write or take a screenshot. Okay, so this is the way we have to construct a distribution table for the question number 6. Okay, so write it down now. So students, here we have completed our today's session. So thank you for watching. So in next video we are going to solve the next problem. Okay, so now the homework for you. So question number 7 is homework for you. Okay, in this question you have to draw the frequency distribution table by using both the method, that is continuous method as well as the discrete method also. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय फॉर नाउ.